Join me as I dive into some mind-blowing travel photography secrets that you probably never knew existed, and I'll show you how to capture the perfect shot. Travel photography is all about capturing memories and experiences. It's a way to tell a story and share it with others, and that's what makes it so important. When it comes to taking stunning photos, many travelers face similar challenges, like dealing with harsh lighting, trying to find the perfect composition, and figuring out what equipment to use. Lighting can be a major issue, especially when shooting outdoors, as it can be too bright or too dim, making it hard to get the right exposure. Composition is another key element, as it can make or break a photo, and it's not always easy to find the right balance of elements in a shot. Equipment is also a challenge, as having the right gear can make a big difference in the quality of the photos, but it's not always easy to know what to use. Many travelers also struggle with finding unique perspectives and angles, which can make their photos stand out from the crowd. Travelers often find themselves in situations where they have to adapt quickly to changing environments, which can be overwhelming, and this is where having some knowledge of photography techniques can be really helpful. For example, understanding how to use the camera's settings to adjust for different lighting conditions can make a big difference in the quality of the photos. Having the right equipment can be a big advantage, but it's not the only thing that matters, and many travelers have taken stunning photos with just their smartphones. The key is to understand the basics of photography and to be able to adapt to different situations. When it comes to taking stunning travel photos, there are many tips and techniques that can help, such as using natural light, experimenting with unique angles, and incorporating local culture into the shots. Using natural light can add a lot of depth and warmth to photos, and it's often the best way to capture the true colors and textures of a scene. Experimenting with unique angles can also make photos more interesting, and it's a great way to add some creativity to the shots. Incorporating local culture into the photos can also help to tell a story and give context to the scene. Incorporating local culture into the photos can be as simple as including local people, architecture, or landmarks in the shots, and it can help to give the photos a sense of place and authenticity. Using natural light can also help to create a sense of mood and atmosphere, and it's often the best way to capture the true beauty of a scene. Many travelers also find that experimenting with different angles and perspectives can help to add some creativity to their photos, and it's a great way to capture unique and interesting shots. For example, getting low or climbing high can help to add some drama to the photos, and it's a great way to capture the beauty of a scene from a different perspective. One surprising travel photography secret that can transform ordinary photos into extraordinary ones is using simple editing apps to enhance the colors and contrast of the photos, and capturing candid moments can also add a lot of life and energy to the shots. Many travelers find that using editing apps can help to take their photos to the next level, and it's a great way to add some professionalism to the shots. Capturing candid moments can also help to tell a story and give context to the scene, and it's a great way to capture the true essence of a place. Capturing candid moments can be as simple as taking photos of people going about their daily business, and it's a great way to capture the true flavor of a place. Using editing apps can also help to add some consistency to the photos, and it's a great way to create a sense of style and cohesion. Another great way to capture stunning travel photos is to take photos at dawn or dusk, when the light is soft and golden, and it's a great way to add some warmth and depth to the shots. This can be a great way to capture the beauty of a scene, and it's a great way to add some atmosphere to the photos. Incorporating local people into the photos can also help to add some life and energy to the shots, and it's a great way to capture the true essence of a place. Using editing apps can also help to enhance the colors and contrast of the photos, and it's a great way to add some professionalism to the shots. To recap, the key to taking stunning travel photos is to use natural light, experiment with unique angles, and incorporate local culture into the shots, and by following these tips, you can capture the perfect shot. If you've got any travel photography tips of your own, be sure to share them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next video on travel destinations for more inspiration and ideas. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of travel photography, where every snapshot tells a story and every landscape is a canvas waiting to be captured. In this video, we'll unveil some stunning travel photography secrets that will elevate your skills and transform your images from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, you'll find valuable tips and techniques that can make a significant difference in your travel photos. We'll explore unique composition strategies, lighting tricks, and post-processing hacks that can help you create breathtaking visuals. Plus, we'll share insider secrets on how to connect with your surroundings and capture the essence of a place, making your photos not just beautiful, but also meaningful. So, if you're ready to take your travel photography to the next level and impress your friends and followers, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to embark on your next photographic adventure. Let's get started and unlock the secrets to stunning travel photography together. Understanding light. The importance of natural light in travel photography. Natural light is one of the most crucial elements in travel photography, as it can dramatically influence the mood and quality of your images. The time of day you choose to shoot can create entirely different atmospheres. For instance, the soft, diffused light during early morning or late afternoon, known as the golden hour, is perfect for capturing warm, inviting tones. This magical time can transform ordinary scenes into stunning visuals, making it a favorite among photographers. To make the most of golden hour, plan your shoots around sunrise or sunset. The low angle of the sun creates long shadows and highlights that add depth and dimension to your photos. Don't be afraid to experiment with these shadows and highlights, they can create striking contrasts that enhance your composition. Additionally, consider how the direction of light affects your subject. Side lighting can add texture, while backlighting can create a beautiful halo effect. By understanding and utilizing natural light, you can elevate your travel photography and capture breathtaking images that truly reflect the beauty of your surroundings. So grab your camera, and start exploring the incredible possibilities that light has to offer. Composition techniques. Explore various composition techniques to enhance travel photos. Composition is the backbone of any great photograph, and mastering a few key techniques can significantly enhance your travel images. One of the most popular methods is the rule of thirds. By dividing your frame into a grid of 9 equal parts, you can position your subject along these lines or at their intersections, creating a more balanced and engaging composition. Another effective technique is using leading lines, which guide the viewer's eye through the image. Roads, rivers, or architectural elements can serve as natural pathways that draw attention to your subject. Framing is another powerful tool in your composition arsenal. By incorporating elements in the foreground, such as branches or doorways, you can create a sense of depth and context, making your images more dynamic. Additionally, experimenting with perspective can yield stunning results. Try shooting from different angles or heights to find unique viewpoints that set your photos apart. While these techniques are essential, don't be afraid to break the rules. Creative expression often comes from stepping outside conventional guidelines. Embrace your artistic instincts, and let your imagination guide you. The beauty of travel photography lies in capturing moments that resonate with your personal vision, so go ahead and explore. Capturing local culture. Highlight the significance of photographing local culture. Photographing local culture is not just about taking pretty pictures, it's about telling stories and connecting with the heart of a place. Engaging with locals can lead to authentic shots that reflect the true essence of their traditions and lifestyles. Approach people with respect and curiosity, and don't hesitate to ask if you can capture their moments. This interaction often results in candid images that convey genuine emotions and experiences. Storytelling through images is a powerful way to showcase cultural richness. Each photograph can narrate a tale, whether it's a bustling market scene, a quiet moment of reflection, or a vibrant street performance. By focusing on the details, like the intricate patterns of traditional clothing or the expressions of joy during a local celebration, you can create a visual narrative that resonates with viewers. Cultural festivals and traditions provide fantastic opportunities for stunning photography. Events like Diwali in India, Carnival in Brazil, or the Cherry Blossom Festival in Japan are filled with color, energy, and unique customs. These occasions not only offer vibrant visuals but also allow you to immerse yourself in the local culture. So grab your camera, engage with the community, and let their stories inspire your travel photography. Editing your photos. Provide insights into editing techniques for travel photography. Editing is a crucial step in the travel photography process, allowing you to enhance your images and bring your creative vision to life. Popular editing software like Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop are widely used by photographers for their powerful features and user-friendly interfaces. Lightroom is excellent for batch editing and color correction, while Photoshop offers advanced tools for detailed retouching and manipulation. When it comes to editing, color correction is essential for achieving vibrant and true-to-life images. Start by adjusting the white balance to ensure that colors appear natural. You can also enhance details by fine-tuning contrast and sharpening your images, which helps to bring out textures and elements that might otherwise go unnoticed. While it's tempting to go overboard with filters and effects, it's important to maintain a natural look in your edits. Aim for a balanced enhancement that preserves the authenticity of the scene. Subtle adjustments can make a significant difference without compromising the integrity of your original photograph. Remember, the goal of editing is to enhance your travel photos, not to alter them completely. So take your time, experiment with different techniques, and let your unique style shine through. Gear essentials. Discuss essential gear for travel photography. When it comes to travel photography, having the right gear can make all the difference in capturing stunning images. A must-have item is a quality DSLR or mirrorless camera. These cameras offer superior image quality, flexibility, and control over settings, allowing you to adapt to various shooting conditions. Mirrorless cameras, in particular, are lightweight and compact, making them ideal for travelers who want to minimize their load. Another essential piece of equipment is a sturdy tripod. A tripod provides stability for long exposure shots, especially in low light conditions or when capturing landscapes. It also allows for creative compositions, such as panoramic shots or time-lapse photography. Investing in a reliable tripod can significantly enhance the quality of your images. Versatile lenses are equally important for different shooting scenarios. A good zoom lens can cover a range of focal lengths, making it perfect for capturing everything from sweeping landscapes to close-up details. Additionally, a prime lens with a wide aperture is great for low-light situations and achieving beautiful background blur. By equipping yourself with these essential items, you'll be well prepared to capture the beauty of your travels and create lasting memories through your photography. Safety and ethics. Address safety and ethical considerations in travel photography. When it comes to travel photography, safety and ethics should always be at the forefront of your mind. Respecting local customs and privacy is crucial. Before photographing people or cultural sites, take a moment to understand the norms of the area. Some cultures may have restrictions on photography, especially in sacred spaces or during religious ceremonies. Always ask for permission when photographing individuals, as this fosters trust and respect. Safety is another vital consideration, particularly when exploring unfamiliar places. Be aware of your surroundings and keep your gear secure to avoid theft. It's wise to travel with a buddy or in groups, especially in crowded or remote areas. Additionally, familiarize yourself with local laws regarding photography, as some regions may have specific regulations that you need to follow. Responsible tourism is essential for preserving the beauty and integrity of the places you visit. This means not only capturing stunning images but also being mindful of your impact on the environment and local communities. Support local businesses, minimize waste, and leave no trace behind. By prioritizing safety and ethics in your travel photography, you can create meaningful connections and contribute positively to the places you explore. As we wrap up our exploration of stunning travel photography secrets, let's recap the key takeaways that can elevate your photography skills. We discussed the importance of natural light and how different times of day can dramatically affect your images. Remember to take advantage of the golden hour for those breathtaking shots and don't shy away from experimenting with shadows and highlights. We also delved into essential composition techniques, such as the rule of thirds and leading lines, which can help create more dynamic images. Engaging with local culture is vital, as it allows you to capture authentic moments and tell compelling stories through your photos. Additionally, we highlighted the importance of having the right gear, including a quality camera, sturdy tripod, and versatile lenses. Finally, we touched on safety and ethical considerations, emphasizing the need to respect local customs and practice responsible tourism. Now it's time for you to apply these secrets on your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us create more content to inspire your photography journey. Happy shooting!